Join me as I dive into the latest features of iOS 26 and try to uncover what's really new and worth your time. In this video, you will explore the exciting new features and improvements in iOS 26 that can enhance your user experience. Many users find it challenging to keep up with the rapid changes in technology and software updates, leading to confusion about what's truly new and beneficial. This can be overwhelming, especially when you're eager to make the most out of your device. Staying updated is crucial, but it's equally important to understand what these updates mean for you. With iOS 26, Apple aims to simplify your interactions and offer more personalized experiences. You will delve into the specifics of the most significant changes in iOS 26, including updates to privacy settings, new app functionalities, and interface enhancements. A major focus of iOS 26 is on enhancing user privacy, with new settings that give you more control over your data. For instance, the updated privacy dashboard makes it easier to see how apps are using your information. Additionally, there are new app functionalities designed to make your life easier, such as improved Siri capabilities and smarter notifications. The interface also gets a tweak, with a more streamlined look that feels both fresh and familiar. The new interface enhancements are not just about aesthetics, they also improve the overall usability of your device. For example, the revamped home screen allows for more customization, letting you arrange your apps in a way that suits your workflow. Moreover, with iOS 26, Apple has worked on making the operating system more efficient, which means you can expect better performance and battery life from your device. Highlighting the standout feature of iOS 26, it's clear that the enhanced AI capabilities will have the biggest impact on users. This feature sets a new standard for mobile operating systems by making your device more intuitive and responsive. With AI-driven enhancements, tasks become more automated, and your device can anticipate your needs better. For instance, the improved predictive text feature not only suggests words but can also complete sentences, making typing faster and more accurate. This enhanced AI capability also powers more intelligent Siri responses, making voice commands more effective. You can expect more natural conversations with Siri, as it understands context better and can handle follow-up questions more effectively. Another significant aspect is the enhanced security features powered by AI, which help in detecting and preventing security threats more efficiently. The AI enhancements in iOS 26 truly make it a game-changer, offering a more seamless and intelligent user experience. Recap the key features discussed, emphasizing their importance and how they can improve everyday tasks for users. The updates in iOS 26, from enhanced privacy settings and new app functionalities to interface tweaks and AI-driven features, are designed to make your interactions with your device more enjoyable and productive. Encourage viewers to comment on which feature they are most excited about and to check out your other videos for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to hearing your thoughts. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech insights.